Ukecoach here. Today's video I'm going to show you a little bit into my life and what I carry with my instrument. So you might have heard of an EDC, which is an everyday carry. People have their tactical bags full of gear, like maybe a first aid kit, water bottle, a knife, maybe a gun. But today I'm going to share my Ukulele EDC. First off, I've got my gig bag. I carry a gig bag instead of a hard case because hard cases are usually bulkier and bigger, and I like to have mine fit into my backpack because this will actually sit in my bag if I needed to. Now with this gig bag, it's got a couple of cool pockets. I could fit more stuff in there, and it's got backpack straps so I can carry it wherever I want to go. I would definitely advise having a nice case for ukulele. In the front pouch, I carry a couple things. A tuner. I also have a tuner on my cell phone. I use the guitar tuner, but if that's not working, I've got this. Carry a pick. It's always good for a string instrument player to have a pick. I also carry a chord chart. Now there is a chord chart on my phone, but again, if my phone ever runs out of battery, I've got extra things. Oh yeah, my ukulele. I carry a Fluke Flea, and what's cool about this, it's got a plastic back, very durable. My kids have dropped it several times, and it works great still. In this top pouch, I carry my kazoo, because sometimes I like to be goofy and play music along with my ukulele. I also carry a harmonica. I don't play the ukulele exclusively. I like to try and play different instruments. So the harmonica is another one I carry. And along with that harmonica, I have a harmonica holder, which I can also strap if I wanted to with a rubber band, my kazoo. So I can play both while playing my ukulele. A couple more things I carry, which I know this is a lot, but I like to be prepared for any situation. I carry some percussion, a little shaker. Not because I'm going to play the shaker and my ukulele, that's hard, unless I strap it to my foot. But I have this that's strapped to my foot, little tambourine. So that way you can play ukulele, stomp at the same time. It's pretty cool. I'm going to make another video with me putting all this together and playing. I think that's about it for my ukulele EDC. I also carry my head strap and my wristbands so I can make a Ukecoach video anywhere, anytime. You all show me what your EDCs are. What do you carry in your Uke case? Thanks everybody.